Okay, dear children. Now listen to me. Today we are going to do our grammar section. In that grammar section, we have verb agreement. Robbie watches the trains outside his window. They walk to school every day. We know that subject and verbs must agree with the one another in number. If subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. The rule of the subject is verb agreement also applies to the use of do, does plus verb in sentence. We use does not and do not for verb to make a negative sentence. Okay, हम जब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो डू और डज यूज करते हैं, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस यूज करते हैं तो डू नॉट और डज नॉट टू मेक अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस इन द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. This used only in simple present tense. Okay, now we have a one study table. We always use do and do not with I, and does not and doesn't use with he, she, it. Do and don't again you and they. Grandpa does not want Robbie to be sad. He na, grandpa is he, so we use here does not. Here negative sentence, does not want to be sad. Karan does not like to read. Okay, here I don't drink soft drinks. Don't you are using here for a negative sentences. Come to the complete these sentences now. Complete these sentences. Sam does not watch films. He likes to play the piano. उसको फिल्म देखना पसंद नहीं है. It's a negative sentence, so we are using Sham is he. He we are using do or does not or doesn't. Does not. Okay. Arya does a lot of reading when she is. It's a positive sentence. ये तो positive line है. Arya does a lot of reading when she is free. जब वो free feel होती है वो क्या करती है? Reading करती है. You don't want to me to pick up after school, do you? आप चाहते हो मुझे आपको लेना है. Okay. They don't like swimming but I do. I के साथ हमेशा do होता है, they के साथ don't. हाँ, they because don't like swimming, उनको पसंद नहीं है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, so we are using here don't. My cat hates water. It does not let me give it bath. Negative. It means animals के लिए यूज़ करते. It does look like it will rain. Should carry an umbrella. हाँ, आज आपको बारिश होने जैसा लग रहा है, सो आपको अम्ब्रेला साथ में लेके जाना चाहिए. नाउ कम टू दी यूर ग्रामर सेक्शन इन यूर रिविजन शीट. ओके, जाए. So today we are going to do I with a do not, he she with it with a does not, you they with a do and don't. Complete these sentences. Jai is helpful. He does, because it's a positive sentence. Here we will fill as a does because it's a positive sentence. Jai is very helpful. He does a lot of work for his parent. I love the toy car. I am not sure if I should buy it. I do love the toy car, but वो sure नहीं है. I के साथ Don't. I don't like wear my brother's clothes. The little bunnies drink milk. Meena doesn't think we should watch a movie today. They don't go to school on time. I think I don't think she will fit the role of queen. The cat does not sleep on the mat nowadays. They don't like the game, but it is too hot to play now. I am happy that you don't go for late night movies. Okay, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के साथ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के साथ हम डज नॉट और डोंट यूज़ करेंगे. ही शी इट के साथ डजंट, एंड यू दे के साथ डोंट, एंड आई के साथ भी डू नॉट एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ अ डोंट. ओके, दिस इज योर exercise. Okay, exercises from the this textbook once again today. Okay, in last lecture, last video, I told you we will make a fill-ups from the chapter, and first page we did in that video. That remaining page today we are going to do that. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked very terribly upset. Every time he heard the whistle, Grandpa Ray loved his grandson very much and did not like to see him unhappy. See here, how many fill-ups will be here? Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked dash terribly upset. Dash answer is terribly upset. Grandpa Ray loved his dash. Grandpa loved his grandson. Okay, we will make from here 3 questions. I am going to send you a PDF of these fill-ups. You have to write in your fair notebook. I hope you all will try and you will do it for your extra knowledge. Grandpa Ray thought about what he could do to make Robbie happy. Then he had an idea. Dash had an idea. Grandpa had an idea. He bought some wood and collected all his tools. Then he called Robbie out to the orchard in front of the house and they began to work. Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. Then they built a railway carriage, a platform on wheels with seats for 3 passengers. The carriage would move along the track just like a real train. Robbie could stop and start it to the passenger on or letting go for the brake. Okay, mother came out with a little bell. Robbie and Grandpa climbed into the carriage. The bell rang. Robbie let go to the brake and the carriage moved along the track. Robbie waved happily to mother and grandma and grandpa. Train. All the children in the neighborhood came to see Robbie's railroad. Everyone got to ride on the train with the Robbies. The train ran from morning until night just into the orchard. Grandpa, you are the kindest, dearest and best grandpa in the world, said Robbie when the summer ended. I wait to come back here. Okay, see here students, how many questions we will make from this both pages. Robbie
Robbie, Grandpa and Robbie built dash track, wooden railway track. They built wooden railway track around the orchard. Then Robbie and Grandpa built a railway carriage platform on wheels. This type of questions you have to make, and you have to make MCQs. आप फिलअप्स बनाते हो तो उसका 4 फिलअप्स MCQs बनाना है. एक सही आंसर होता है, 3 गलत आंसर्स आर देयर. You have to tick the correct answer there, then you will get an answer from that. You have to make yourself, and I will try my best for this. If I get a time, I will send you some fill-ups today also. In last video I sent you 4 or 5 fill-ups. You have to read that fill-ups and you have to do that. In grammar also I am going to give you see here. Jai is a helpful. He does not and does and do not and do. 4 options are there. You have to tick on a correct option. Jai is a helpful. He does a lot of work for his parents. Like this you have to choose the correct option. In grammar also you will make a many type of MCQs. आपको ऑलरेडी मैंने यहाँ पे फिलअप दिया है. ओनली यहाँ पे मैंने 2 ऑप्शन दिया है. I will give you a 4 option. You have to tick a 1 correct option. Okay? I hope you all will do best and you have to work hard for this. You also now have a time 20 days time 15 days या 12 days time in your hand. Most probably in April month you will have our annual examination first week. So you have to time to prepare for 10 to 12 days. So my dear children, work hard for this. Okay, take care. Bye bye.